right now, because this is a one-day only, never to be done again, expiring price on the #1 brand in its category. It is Temp-tations. And Tara Tesh is joining us with a price that's about to go away. I mean, it's like the last hour and a half of our big weekend 60 payments of $3.60, free shipping and handling. How you doing, girl?
I'm good. How are you?
Big hour that you had earlier today.
Yes.
And this was not in that show.
This hasn't been here on all day. You're seeing this for the first time.
What is it?
It is our characters. It's a serving platter. Here's what I love about our platters. Not only are they adorable, they're all individually hand painted, but when you look at the profile here, Rick, you can see this is a nice deep platter. You have wells and areas here where you can tuck ramekins if you wanted to. All individually hand painted, 16 inches in total.
Yeah.
I think everybody's always looking for a platter. It's always one of those pieces that you're reaching for and grabbing for, and the fact that it comes, each one in its own gift box, already with a little to and from bow.
I will hold that.
Thank you. Thank you.
It
Thank
is
you.
the gift.
Look at
Here
that.
we go. Give the gift that they will have, that they will love, that they'll bring out every single season.
You nailed
at
it.
the best price it has ever been.
Yes.
$3.60 on any major credit card. Call the number. Take advantage of free shipping and handling. And now for this price, normally $33, and only here, people are going to be picking up more than one. What are the choices that you have?
So that was our snowman. Here's our nutcracker. This is the first time you've seen the nutcracker today. I'm going to try to tip him a little bit so you can see him.
Love it.
There we go. All individually hand painted. When you look at the various colors that are in here, his sweet little face, all of that is sculptural. It's raised. What does that mean? It means that you can actually feel the texture here. You can hear my nails run. So as sweet as it is, as whimsical as it looks, it's still stoneware. So you can still put it in your oven up to 500 degrees.
Great.
You can still serve on it. Goes in your fridge, goes in your freezer, and then of course we have your gingerbread. He has his old world hat, he has his old world scarf, he's holding a cup of coffee, he's got his little cardinal there, which is what I do in honor of my father, and all the way down to his feet, that's 16 inches of a beautiful serving platter that you no longer have to get your metal cookie sheet out. You can literally cook all your apps right on here and bring them right to the table.
You know what else this is? This is subtle Temptations.
Yeah,
this is second glance Temptations, right?
You're right.
Like all of a sudden, oh, that's Temptations. So it'll work with Temptations that you already have.
Yes.
But if you don't have Temptations or want to give it to someone that doesn't necessarily have a lot of Temptations or maybe even any piece whatsoever, it's a wonderful gift idea.
It's a great point.
And as pretty as it is, it's also meant to be used. Let's use it.
Well, let's use it and let's feed you. How about that? You like goat cheese?
I love goat cheese.
Ah, well, how about you try?
Never ever had
one of
that thing?
One of our goat.
Is it all goat cheese?
It's a goat cheese rolled in a beautiful nut mix. You may want to take the little rosemary out of it, but I promise you, delicious. This is up on our website, our goat cheese balls. They are delicious. They're a super quick, easy app that we made right here on this platter.
Oh my gosh, it's fantastic.
Delicious, right?
No, it's really good.
I'm not faking it.
That's really... That's really, really good.
Isn't that awesome? Everybody can help themselves, and we made it right on there.
It's crunchy.
Yeah, that's the nuts. So you roll it in kind of like a nut mixture with rosemary.
What a wonderfully flavorful, adorable surprise that is.
Yes,
and done with our one day only. So here's the update already. Almost 1,000 people are shopping in the moment. $3 brings it to you. $3.60, any major credit card. You can pick up more than one. They're individually boxed. Return policy goes until the end of January. And free exchanges. So if you just, you know what, I want to exchange one, I want to come back, you can do that. I will tell you one thing, that since my kids were born, every year for Christmas, they've picked up a nutcracker for their mom. We have every kind of possible nutcracker you can imagine.
I never knew that.
So what a wonderful way to give a nutcracker in a different guise than you normally would. So the gingerbread, the nutcracker, and the snowman. What do you have now?
So we just came out with some of our cold desserts. These could be your junior's cheesecakes that maybe you want to serve on this platter. We actually did some of our beautiful chocolates, drizzles. Everything will stay nice and cold. So this could actually be shrimp cocktail. This could be an antipasto platter. The fact that you can put them in the fridge and the freezer and keep them nice and cold, or you can put them, of course, in the oven up to 500 degrees and make things like the goat cheese balls. That's the traditions and the things we look forward to around the holidays. And I love what you said. This is a fantastic gift, whether you've owned Temp-tations before or you're just starting out.
Single best goat cheese ball I've ever had in my life.
Thank you.
First one.
I actually take that.
Will not be the last.
The first one and the best one.
First and the best.
I'll take it.
There it is in that box. You loving our friend the snowman. So snowman going quickly. However, the nutcracker, there's fewer than 1,000 now remaining. And that's it. And this is a one day only. So as I keep going back to QVC.com. Best way to shop right now is using the phone number, 1-800-345 1515. Man, it's been that number forever.
Look at
It
that.
still works, and that means operators standing by to help you out. They say, hi, welcome to QVC. What can we do for you? Or when you call the number, it'll start the process. Would you like item number H219281? Press number 1, and it'll get you started, and it'll allow you the choices.
Because this price will expire at the end of the day?
Because this price goes away at the end of the day.
Okay.
It says goodbye.
Got it.
Hence the 1 day only, not coming back for at least 6 months. If it ever does, show us more.
All right, so our characters today, you saw us, we introduced them to you in glass. We introduced to them, if you haven't seen it, in some of our dinnerware. This is the fun, being able to coordinate all of your pieces, whether it's your your snowman on your dinner plate, hello Tara, or now it's of course working back to that platter. So all of the pieces, all of the characters nestling together really create what I love to say, that whimsical holiday. So what Rick is showing you is retiring. It's not something we'll be able to do again. So if you love the figural platters over there and you love the fact that they come in that great gift box, this just makes the perfect bow and go gift because everything's done for you.
Oh, I'll wait until this is a lower price prior to Christmas. It will not be. No, it will not be. From now to Christmas, not going to get a better price. In the last minute, we only have a minute with a lot of people shopping right now. Phone lines melting. Free shipping and handling. Price about to go away. What are the choices?
Here's your snowman. He, of course, has his top hat, the cardinal in honor of my dad. That sweet little face. He's holding his Christmas tree. He has his little mittens here all the way down. Nice depth, 16 inches. If we lose him, you will not see him again back in this configuration. Next door there, the Nutcracker. I love the story that you shared there. They're such an iconic piece, especially around the holidays. So all of the colors, all of the vibrancy there, not just 2 or 3 colors, probably 6 or 7 colors. And then, of course, at the end, we have the gingerbread. We actually have something going on our Facebook page where we're asking you to name our gingerbread. Gingy is winning. So feel free to pop over on Temptations by Tara McConnell-Tesher and give us a name for that gingerbread. They already named our reindeer Wimbley.
It's called what?
Wimbley.
Wimbley the reindeer?
He's
wow.
very sweet.
Not Dasher, not Prancer,
Nope.
not Blitzen.
Wimbley.
Wimbley wins. Here comes one of our favorite elves, Mark Charles Masilli, joining us right now.
He loves cheese.
I think that's the first compliment Rick's ever given me.
Oh, he's full of compliments. You know what? It's time for a hot pick, and it's time to spend some time with Mark Charles Masilli. I like to refer to him as the original kitchen innovator here at QVC.
Shanks.
And very dear friend of mine. Hello,
This is-
sweetness.
Mwah. How are you?